So today I'm going to show you how to deposit a check on your Ally Bank Account app. Now we actually have the app loaded up here in real time so you can follow along step by step, and we are doing this on an iOS device. So we're here on the main page. You can see where it says snapshot here on the left. And what we actually want to do is move over all the way to the right over here where it says menu, and it has those 3 lines stacked. We're going to tap over here. Now from this menu, you can see where it says checks and it says deposit checks. We're going to want to go ahead and tap right over here. Now the first thing it might actually pop up with is asking you if you want to go ahead and use your camera. Make sure you hit allow to be able to then go to this section here. Now from here, just a couple things we want to kind of note here for you. You can deposit up to $50,000 in checks, so keep that in mind, as well as the time frame of when you go ahead and deposit and when it will be processed. Now, the first thing it's going to have on this list here for us is to take images of the actual checks. So if you hit the little arrow on the right-hand side, it is going to show you a couple of pieces of information that you want to be aware of. So make sure you follow through on this. You can also toggle this to go ahead and skip in the future, but I would recommend you go and read this first and foremost. Now, once you click continue, your camera will open up to go ahead and take a picture of that front facing of the check, and then again also on the back end, making sure that that is also signed as well. And then after that, it's going to ask you which account you want to deposit to. If you go ahead and click the right hand arrow, then it's going to show you the accounts you have on file. Just click whichever one you want to have it deposited into. And then lastly here, you can see it's going to be the amount. If you click the little arrow, it is going to tell you how much is that check on there for. Let's just go ahead and say it's $25. Going to go ahead and plug that in and click the done button on the top right hand side, and that'll populate there. Once all this information is filled out, the submit deposit will go through. Now there is more to learn when it comes to utilizing the Ally Bank account, and we got you covered. Check out our next video right over here on screen.